Hello, everyone. We are going to go ahead and update you on the latest changes to the Crown's ThinkOrSwim watch list tool. I've added this section here so that you don't have to be typing out the name every single time. So to make it faster for you, we're going to add, this right here. Plus, we're going to add the links where you can, instead of having to do everything in long form, you can just download the list straight into your ThinkOrSwim from us. Okay, so we're going to show you how both of them work. So watch, I'm going to click here in case the import tool doesn't work right for you. You can just copy the name, of the list. We're going to come in here. We're going to say create watch list. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and put the name there. Then we're going to come back and click on the word calls, arrow down, control shift down, copy it, and then click on import. Paste symbol from clipboard. Okay. Save. And then here's the error message that I was talking about in that other training, right? And click OK. Now I'm going to do the same thing for the puts. Copy, create watch list, paste the name up here, right? And then click on puts again, arrow down, control shift down, control C, come in here, import, paste from file, OK, save. And then you get the error message and you click OK. And there you go. Now my two watch lists for SPX for calls and puts for this date for Monday that expire on Monday, May 15, 23 are there. Now, here's a problem, okay? Now they're in here, okay? They're in here, and some of you may think, well, that's it's just a quick task. It won't take me that long to add. But let me delete both of the lists. Yes, I'm sure. And delete the SPX for 515. Yes, I'm sure. Okay, now click on this right here, and you're going to copy this link right here. Okay, this link right above that. Okay, I may rearrange them and put them on the bottom, but right now it's on the top this time. Okay. Go to ThinkOrSwim, click on Setup over here in the corner. Click on Open Shared Item. Paste that link. Click on Preview. Click on Import. Voila, your call list is now there. I'm going to close this. I'm going to come back here, and there it is. You don't have to do no work. You didn't have to put in the name. You didn't have to do that copy and paste. Voila, there's your list. In the event that the import fails because of something's wrong with your computer, the way it connects to ThinkOrSwim, the way it imports, maybe your firewall got in the way, then you can pretty much just do it long form and copy and paste each one, and you'll take care of it, okay? So I hope that solves a couple of your problems, gets things done super fast. You could be done real quick in less than 5 minutes, have everything already done and updated, regardless of path, okay? And just so you know, you can go ahead and, sorry, wrong one. Go ahead and come over to thecrowntrading.com and subscribe so that you can have access to the tool. All community members automatically, by default, get access to the tool. Or if you don't want to be a community member, you can just go ahead and subscribe to the plan so that you can just access the tool. So the tool price is probably not going to change if you're only accessing the tool. That one's going to be $20 a month or $200 a year. And you will get updates every week. And if we update the training, you will also have an update to the training as well every time you come on and access the list, okay? I will look forward to seeing you on the inside. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Give me a comment. Tell me that you love it or how it's going to change your game or whatever. Let me know if you have any questions. Please share it with people that you think that will get, something out of this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day, everyone.